and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going a full glam face. You guys have no idea how much I've missed doing a full glam. So I thought, I have to sit down and shoot a nice makeup tutorial, a learning makeup tutorial, and not just like chit chat tutorial. So yeah, here it is. Here I am. I'm wearing a very nice fancy tube top. This is from Myntra, I guess, and yeah, it's from Myntra. And recently I've been into tube tops. I don't know, somehow suddenly I'm just obsessing over tube tops. So that's just like my recent latest obsession. But yeah, anyways, let's just get into the video. Starting off with some spritz on my body, I'm using this Aqualogica fragrance. I think this is in vanilla, yeah, sun-kissed vanilla, and it absolutely smells like vanilla. So if you're like really into vanilla fragrances, this can be a good purchase, and it's just around 300 or 400 bucks, but it's a good purchase. You get a big like bottle, good bottle. So yeah, anyway, the only drawback is the packaging. It's very hard to open this bottle. I find it difficult at times, but anyway, otherwise it's a good fragrance. It lasts decent, I would say, and yeah, it's just like 500 bucks. What more do you need? So let's get into the skincare first. I love this toner. I've spoken a lot about this toner. It's just a great prep before you actually go towards your skincare. Hence, always tone your face. Apply some mist because it will help the later skincare part to like really go deep inside your skin. So I'm gonna take up my Bioderma At Dawn moisturizer. Oh my god, you guys, like I cannot thank enough Bioderma for creating such a beautiful moisturizer. Like, I have no words when it comes to like this moisturizer by Bioderma, and I've spoken this and told it many a times, but I'm going to repeat it again, that if you're looking out for a really good thick moisturizer, this is the one for you. Look at that shine, look at that dewiness. Instantly it will bring so much of dewiness, shine on your face, and it's amazing. Yeah, it's a great moisturizer before makeup. It's a great everyday moisturizer. Personally, if you're someone who likes a bit thick moisturizer, then this is the one for you. So more dewiness onto my face, I'm gonna use this Hyphen sunscreen on top of it. If I do my makeup, my base looks so dewy, juicy, plumped. I cannot even tell you, how great of a product this is. I've always loved Hyphen's product, so please, if you want something really good and under budget, then these products are for you. Like, you'll just see in like few seconds, it will just add so much of dewiness. Like, my skin will just start glowing. Can you see that already? That's the glow. Yeah, it's for $5.49, which is a good decent amount price for a sunscreen. For my base, I've been loving this Smashbox Halo Tinted Moisturizer. Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer. It has a little bit of coverage as well. I'm telling you guys, if you really don't like foundation, if you want something which is so lightweight and can be used on daily basis, guys, this is the product for you. Please do not hesitate to spend on this product. It's worth everything product, and I guess ye jab tak khatam nahi hone wala hai na, I don't think I'm shifting onto anything else, because this is a fab invention by Smashbox. It just makes my skin an even tone. It makes it looks good, feel good. It's so light on my skin, and I just love it. And this also gives a little bit of glow, as the name says. Now what I like to do is, I'm gonna again put a few drops of this Hyphen sunscreen. You will see, I know it may sound a lot of skin prep products, but trust me, these are the steps personally that I do, and through these steps I achieve that glowing skin, which you guys keep on asking how it's glowing. This is how it's glowing. So anyway, I'm just gonna like mix it up using my brush only, nothing fancy, and I'm just gonna dot it like this. See, can you see that? Instant coverage and instant sense of making your skin feel and look good. So just pat. I know it's been a long time since I've only used Smashbox as my base. I don't use a foundation. I only use this. But क्या करूँ यार, मुझे और मतलब ये इतना अच्छा है, इतना अच्छा है, and ये महंगा भी है, so obviously I just can't let it go. But it's a great product. It's one of the best inventions I did. Can you see my skin right now, you guys? Can you see this? I'm sure my camera is picking it up, but how can I not, not use this? Like, I don't know, I just cannot stop using this. It's so lightweight on my face, and आपको और क्या ही चाहिए. सो ऑन डेली बेसिस आपको अगर मिनिमल कवरेज चाहिए ना, बस आपको स्किन चाहिए, बट टू मेक इट लुक बेटर, देन दिस स्मैशबॉक्स thing is really for you. I'm telling you, if you get your hands on it, buy it. Save it. It's 3,500 bucks. So it is costly, but then you're really getting a great product in return. So I really don't mind spending so much of money on the product, and it's gonna last you. Yeah, I mean, come on, yeah. I do makeup every week, but still it's like there. So अगर आप once in a while makeup करते हो तो it's literally going to last you. मुझे नहीं पता और मैं कितना convince करूँ, but अगर करना है तो मैं कर भी सकती हूँ. But this is one of the best products. Let's move on to eyes, because eyes is the main talk of the town today. Swiss Beauty concealer, my usual concealer. Just prepping my. अब हम smoky eyes कर रहे हैं, so it's very important to prep your eyelid as well. Apply your concealer, just like one simple layer of concealer जैसे मैं कर रही हूँ. And अब इस पे हम हमारे आई shadows लगाएंगे, so that your eyeshadows will pop out a lot more. And I'm gonna start off with this color right here. This is from my Mars palette. I've spoken about this palette a lot. So you can just check out. I'll leave the link in my description as well. A great palette. And I'm gonna take a very flat brush, like eyelid. थोड़ा थोड़ा लेना, because अभी बहुत dark colors है, so you don't want a lot, because then it will be very difficult to remove it off. So start little by little, build it up, and then you see where and how much do you want. Shades right here. This is from Swiss Beauty palette. So ऐसा नहीं है that just like one shade and you're good. You definitely need a very good transition shade, so pick it very wisely. Just pick up my black eyeshadow and just apply it on the outer corner, nowhere else, but only on the outer corner side. Now this I'm not taking on my crease or anything, just intensifying it on the outside. Fluffy brush, this shade, a very light, normal, simple shade, and I'm just gonna put it on a little bit above my crease, so that everything is blended well and everything looks good. So just starting from the outside and taking it on the inside, just like a very nice soft transition. Did you see that? That's green shimmer right here. This is from e.l.f. palette. You'll just see, instantly it elevated my look. For that clean shimmer look, even if it's not that clean, it's alright, you guys. Just to blend out the stuff really well. And that's it. One eye, we are done. I really did a good job. I don't want to mess up, because फिर वो करते वो पूरा look mess up हो जाएगा. So anyway, I am really happy with this. Now all my fancy liner girls, don't come at me. मुझे इतना ही आता है और मैं उतना ही करूँगी. So anyway, I think I am truly happy with the way this eye has turned out. So great. move on to concealer. I am applying my same old Swiss Beauty concealer. One is in the shade 07, the shade 03 light moyen. These are my colors. And then I'll just build it up as per my need. So yeah. You know, I have realized less concealer is working really great for me. So hence I apply a very less, and then if I want, I'll definitely go ahead and add stuff. But I think applying less concealer has also been good. Otherwise, you know, I used to apply lots of dots of concealer, but I think इतना भी अच्छा ही है और इससे ज़्यादा रिक्वायर होता भी नहीं है. So yeah, but it's a very personal choice. I always say मेकअप का एक्चुअल में कोई टेक्स्ट बुक या रूल बुक है नहीं. इट्स ऑल एज पर योर विश, योर fancy. I'm gonna pick up my concealer on any of the flat brush and I'm just gonna draw a line like this and just blend it. Matic create हो गया and just blend it. I'm using my Lamel supremely pigmented contour. And I've always told us be very careful of this contour. I don't mind it, but it's highly pigmented, तो मुझे बहुत ध्यान से लगाना पड़ता है. Just applying little bit here, just here. Blend this one side क्योंकि ये ना बहुत जल्दी set हो जाता है. So be very sure that you're blending it out really fast. Blend भी बहुत easily हो जाएगा. But then this contour sets very fast, so hence I apply it at one side, I blend it, and then I move on to the other side. I just want to do all my cream products right now, and then I will go ahead with my it just melts and blends into my skin, and it's a great product. It's a great contour product. Love it. Love using this. Yeah, my light is so gloomy. I really don't know what my camera is picking right now. I hope it's picking up good. I really hope. Anyway, you get my vibe, you get my intention, so I am glad. Apply it on my jawline. Just gonna pat. Yeah, I think we've packed a concealer really well. From Gush Beauty, I just recently purchased it. It's a very decent blush, cute, nice, decent blush. But I feel personally there are a lot better blushes out there, cream blushes. Like I use Rene blush is really good. Rene blush stack. मतलब अगर आपको सच्ची में 3 ब्लश चाहिए and something which is amazing, Rene cream brushes, it is for you. So मुझे फिर लगा कि the price I'm paying, I think I almost paid $700 for both of them. So I felt Rene was a bit more nice and dewy, and it just, you know, seeps into your skin, blends into your skin very well. That's what I personally felt. But yeah, this is also a cute blush for the packaging and everything. I'm in the shade some Pop Peach and just dabbing it. Okay, I'll just blend this first. It has a matte finish. तो अगर आपको blushes चाहिए जो आपको थोड़ा dewy finish दे, जो मुझे personally बहुत पसंद है, then this is not the blush for you. If you want something soft, nice, decent, cute, this can be for you. Citrusy smell, not very overpowering, very decent, manageable smell. It's that dewy and not that, it's not packing the punch for me. I hope you get what I mean. But otherwise it's a decent blush so that, you know, it's all nice and seamless and great. I'm gonna bronze up my face a bit first. A great job of a bronzer, and plus it's very affordable as well. एंड ओके लेट मी टेल यू सम स्टोरी. सो मैंने जो लास्ट के ड्रामा रिकमेंडेशन लाइक यू नो चिट चैट कोरियन गेट रेडी विथ मी जो मैंने डाला, उसमें मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ था कि मैंने फर्स्ट जब वो वीडियो अपलोड किया, मैंने एक्चुअली मेरी गैलरी में से देखा नहीं. I just thought this was the latest video and I just ended up going it uploading on my YouTube. And I think after few hours of uploading, मुझे नहीं पता आप लोग ने ये नोटिस किया नहीं किया, पर after a few hours of uploading the video I realized that मैंने गलती से जो मेरा पुराना पिंक वाला get ready with my pink top wala, I don't remember the exact title of that video, but I did not realize and I ended up posting the same video. I realized it at 2 a.m. in the night and I'm like, wow Kritika, you're a genius for doing this. I quickly removed that video and then I posted the new one. So that's something that happened to my face really well. I don't like a lot of bronzer, so I think this much works for me, but if you like to apply a lot of bronzer, it's all fine. As I say, take this from Swiss Beauty. This is just their normal standard powder blush, just dabbing it. And applying it. Looks great. This is such a fine mist. I cannot tell you what a good mist this is from Smashbox. Actually, Smashbox overall is a very good brand, you guys. It's an expensive brand, but it's a very, very good brand. So really just if you want something, save up your money and once invest in it. And standard Faces Canada highlighter on the high points of my cheek, under my eye, like this, over here and here. My standard places to apply my highlighter. Lip liner from Inside Cosmetic, and I think with such heavy eye this lip shade will really go well. So I'm just gonna apply it, just lining my lips. And yeah, I'm just gonna add this shade Ginger Snap from House of Makeup. Such a stunning lip gloss this is, you guys. Pick up Maybelline lip gloss. They are amazing. Yeah, you guys, with this I think I am ready to go for my Saturday night, Sunday night, whatever night. I'm just ready to go for a night out. But yeah, that's my final look. So I hope you guys liked my video. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on my channel, and let's glow and grow, and I will continue seeing you in my videos. Until then, bye, take care.